Good morning children. Today we are going to study about how to make a cube, cuboid and prism by using the net shape. Before that, if you are a new visitor for my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon near that so that whatever videos uploading related to studies, it will reach you as much as early. Just look at that. This is a net shape of cube. This is net shape of cuboid and this one is net shape of prism. Shall we make the shapes right now? This is net shape of cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeter. See, this is red color 6 and green 6. Again red 6, again green 6, here yellow 6 and one more yellow 6. Now here a flip is given here in yellow shape, yellow color, see that flap is given. Here also one folding like that, we can fold this one. You draw a line of 24 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Then 6 centimeter, we draw a thick line for 6 centimeter. Then again 6, 12, then this 18. This 18 centimeter has to be projected up and down. Listen carefully. 24 centimeter line. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 centimeter and 24 centimeter. You can draw a box. Then again 6, 12. That 18. 18 has to be drawn up 6 centimeter and down 6 centimeter. So this is vertically 18 centimeter and horizontally 24 centimeter. Horizontally 24, 6. Then vertically 18, 6. First you draw a line. Then here in this up and down 3, you have to fold this one like that, 3 folding, that extra. Then same here, downside 1, 2, 3. This is white in color. 1, 2, 3. Now, how we are going to fold this? This is a net shape of cube. Now, here one fold and again there one fold. First this fold has to be folded properly. This and this, that flip has to be folded properly. And here also 1, 2 and 3. Fold it and keep it. Then now fold, then this has to be pasted, that white has to be pasted inside. White has to be pasted inside. And again that all the white will go inside. All the white will go inside. Again here all the white colors will go inside. Just look at. You can apply the paste here. You can apply the paste here and you can paste. All the white color will go inside. Then you will have a exact cube. Look at the cube. Nice cube. Nice cube. Nice cube. Is it or not? Apply the gum Fevicol here and paste it properly. Leave as it is for 5 minutes. Leave as it is for 5 minutes. You will get nice cube, mind-blowing cube with different colors. Is it or not? Look at the net shape of cuboid. This is 5 centimeter and 6, again 5 and 6. So 11 plus 11, 22 centimeter horizontal line. Then here it is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 22 centimeter horizontal line and 8 centimeter vertical line. 22 centimeter horizontal and 8 centimeter vertical line. You can make a rectangle. Then after that, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth one, projection up and down side. That is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 up and 5 down. So here it is 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 centimeter. Total 18 centimeter. 5 up and 5 down side. Here make flap in the yellow color. Here small flap. This is for folding. And here one fold and there one fold. The same up in 3 sides. Just 1, 2 and 3. Fold it and apply the Fevicol in the side. 1, up you apply. Up you apply the Fevicol. Then again here up. Yes, you got mind-blowing cuboid. That is length, breadth and height. This is prism. See how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. The last one, make a flap, the last one, and one more here and here. 3. And how to make triangle, then I will teach separately. Now this shapes I will send. You can take Xerox copy and make it. See that. Now fold this also fold, one more fold. Now mind-blowing prism. Look at. Yes, got it. Yes, got it. This paper is thick paper, so I am getting very nice prism. Just look at that. Wow. Cuboid, cube and prism. Cube has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. Cube has 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners. The same cuboid has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. The same 12 edges and 8 corners. Then what is the difference between cube and cuboid? Cube, all the sides are same, but cuboid length, breadth and depth is different. Now prism, 1, 2, 3, 4 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges. This is prism. See, you can make this by yourself. Cube, cuboid and prism. I will make some more shapes for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.